Very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and having good times with your parents. Okay, so let's start the class. So, students, in this video, I am going to explain you our today's topic singular and plural. Okay, I am going to discuss with you what is singular and what is called plural. First, let me tell you what is called singular. Singular. Okay. What does it mean singular noun? Nouns that show one item is called singular noun. Okay, this is called singular noun. Nouns that show one item is called singular noun. Suppose a book, a basket, a pen, a chair. Okay, these these all are called examples of singular noun. Okay, nouns that show one item is called singular noun. Suppose a book, a basket, a pen, a chair, etc. These are called singular noun. Now let's talk about plural noun. What is called plural noun? Okay, what about plural nouns? Nouns that show many items are called plural noun. Example, one book, many books. One pen, many pens. One basket, many or some baskets. Okay, so these are the examples of plural nouns. Let's recall one more time. Singular noun. Singular noun. Nouns that show one item is called singular nouns. For example, a book, a basket, a pen, a chair, etc. Now let's talk about plural noun. What is called plural nouns? Nouns that show many items are called plural nouns. Nouns that show many items are called plural nouns. For example, one book, many books. One book, many books. Books. Here, books denotes plural form, plural noun. One person, many. One pen, many pens. One basket, many baskets. For point to be noted, for plural noun we have to add s or es to the nouns. Okay, that means we have to, for plural noun, we have to add s or es to the noun. Suppose one box, then it will be many boxes. Like this. One box, many boxes. B-O-X-E-S. Here we have to add es to the box for plural noun. One box, many boxes. Clear? Now we will discuss few exercises from our grammar book. So I am going to discuss our first exercise with you. Count the items and write the numbers. Tick the correct nouns. Okay. Number 1. Tick the correct nouns. Tick the correct nouns. Here you have to count the nouns first, then tick the correct nouns. Number 1. Flower or flowers. So here you can see I have drawn two flowers, right? Here we have 2 flowers. So first count the items. 1, 2. As we know, more than nouns that show more than one item or many items is called plural nouns. So here this is under plural nouns. So first we have to write the number 2, then it will be not flower, flowers, because 2 is more than one. That means plural noun, and for plural nouns we have to add s or es to the nouns. Okay, am I clear? So 2, tick the correct answer, flowers. Like this you have to do. Page number 21. Page number 21. Again I am showing one more item, that is kite or kites. These are the kites. So how many kites are there? Kite or kites. Let's count how many kites are there. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 kites here. So first write the number 3. Then here it is shown that here we have more than one item. More than one item means plural form, and for plural form we have to use s or es. That means 3 kites. Clear? Number 3. Cap. Cap or caps. Can you tell me how many caps are there? There are only one cap, not caps. There are only one cap. And for one item, we can say this is a singular noun. And for singular noun, we just pick the noun that is one and cap, not caps. Caps denotes under plural noun. So this is singular noun, and for singular noun, we just pick the correct answer, that is cap. One cap. No need to no need to add s or es to the singular noun. We have to use s or es to the plural nouns. So like this you have to practice at home. Page number 21. Clear? So students, am I clear to you what is singular noun and what is plural noun? Let's one more time recall what is singular and plural noun. Singular noun, that nouns that are denotes or that show one item, that is called singular noun. And for plural noun that nouns that show more than one item or many items are called plural nouns. Suppose one pen, one pen, many pens. Okay, and for singular noun only one pen, not pens. And for plural form we have to use pen to pens. We have to use s or es. Suppose for plural noun watch, plural noun will be watches. That means we have to add es to the watch. One watch, W-A-T-C-H, one watch. This is singular noun. And for plural noun we have to use one watches. Sorry, not one, many. It will be diverted one to many watches. We have to use es. Watch to watches. This is singular to plural. This is also singular to plural. One pen, many pens. One to plural, pen to plural, pens. One to many, pen to pens. Clear? So this is called plural, singular and plural noun. For some plural nouns we add es to the nouns. These are the examples. So in this video you will be able to know what is singular noun and what is plural noun. Please go through it and practice at home. Page number 21. Thank you so much. Bye bye.